Welcome to my video essay where I tell you why Chowder is the most underrated cartoon of all time. I was just kidding. Testing. Hi y'all feeling? My name is Johnny. This is no lab code required, and this exists because the stuff that makes us healthier should not be confusing, false, or exclusively for people in lab coats. And I know why you're here. You're sick of it. You're sick of going through your long day, dealing with your own issues, probably gotta deal with people. Bless your soul if you gotta deal with people. You come home, lay your head down about 10:30, trying to fall asleep. You check the clock again and it's 12:30. What the hell? How are you gonna take over the world if you can't get adequate sleep? From the time we lay our head down to the time we're actually asleep is called sleep latency. We don't want this to be any longer than 20, 25, maybe 30 minutes. Because no one likes rolling around trying to go to sleep, I put together 3 ways we can fall asleep faster. Number 1, sunlight is the best light. Our bodies are wildly dynamic and we all have an internal clock that determines what our body is doing on the inside depending on what time it is, and it's called our circadian rhythm. One of these processes is the sleep-wake cycle, and it's driven by light. And the most powerful effect of light? The sun. When the sun is up, we're getting it in. When the sun is down, we're sleeping. We are literally aligned with the universe. In order to carry out that sleeping we should be doing when the sun is down, we produce melatonin, which is a powerful sleep-activating hormone that's produced by the pineal gland. Some people take melatonin as a drug to help them sleep. You poppin' Melly? Now, melatonin isn't some kind of poppable vitamin. It's an actionable hormone that tells our body to do something. When we take the lab-made synthetic version of melatonin, we risk downgrading our own production of the hormone. Now, I wouldn't call that a certainty because the dose, the usage, and the situation all matters. Plus, melatonin is still being studied for its long-term effects. Either way, you wouldn't want your pineal gland to catch an attitude because you're bringing all that fake stuff around. Get yourself some sunlight, soak it up, let your body do its thing for the day, and when it's time to go to sleep, light being the most powerful contributor to our circadian rhythm, it makes sense that we could have effects from the light we continually shine in our face. Our phones. Leave your phone out of your sheets. Just as the sun aligns us, the light from our phones could impact us in the same way. Our phones and TVs use LED light, which unlike a lot of other lights, has a lot of blue light. Blue light is also emitted from the sun and is the most efficient in affecting our circadian rhythm. This study took 12 people, instructed them to read an iPad before they went to sleep, and found that melatonin was suppressed by 55%. What would you do if you ordered a pizza right now, paid full price, tipped the delivery man and all? Stuff a napkin in your shirt, hit one of these, open the box, and there's 55% of the pizza missing. The study also found that sleep latency was lengthened by an average of 10 minutes. Yes, we can use the blue light filter on some of our devices, or we can make sure we don't get the 55% pizza at all. Try 30 minutes without it before bed, then go an hour. You really about it, go 90 minutes. Keeping our phone out of our bed is nice, but what if we removed all of our toys from our bedroom completely? Alright, bear with me, but you know when you have to pee real bad and it seems like the closer you get to the toilet, the more you have to pee? This is called the anticipatory response. The body knows you're about to let loose, so it's saying, let me do all the necessary things to help you let loose. This also happens when we're about to exercise. When the body knows we're going to exercise, the heart rate gradually rises to get us ready to start. If we made our bedroom into a place where we only slept, there's a chance our body would elicit an anticipatory response, which could lead to us falling asleep quicker when we walk into our room. I know what you're thinking. Johnny, I can't bring my phone into my bed. I can't even be in my room. What can I do? You can read a book. Read a book, read a book, read a book. My apologies, I just had to use that clip. Anyways, give this joint a like if you found some value out of it. That helps other people find me. I'm no lab code required on YouTube and Instagram, and I'm gonna get about y'all way.